Welcome back to the Sol dashboard. My name is Johann, and today we are looking at one of our most powerful financial tools, the Tax Estimator widget. This feature helps you smartly estimate your annual tax, quarterly income, and Medicare levy. To access the tool, navigate to Widgets on the left-hand menu and select Tax Estimator. The tool is divided into several steps. Step 1 covers income. Sol automatically pulls data for your current revenue and expenses. If needed, you can manually input additional income or deductions not yet recorded in the app. Click Next. Step 2 covers capital gains. Here, you will record any assets you may have sold during the financial year. Input the asset description, its purchase price, and the sale price to calculate any gain or loss. Click Next. Step 3 focuses on superannuation. If you made any after-tax personal contributions this financial year, toggle the switch to yes and enter the total contributions. This helps ensure your taxable income is correctly calculated. Click Next. The final step, Step 4, addresses the Medicare levy. Answer the questions regarding your spouse's income, eligibility for Medicare levy exemptions, and private health insurance. Once all fields are complete, click Tax Calculate. The results section instantly shows your estimated taxable income, tax rate, and the estimated total tax payable for the year. The Tax Estimator gives you immediate insights to plan your finances effectively and avoid any tax time surprises. If you have any further questions on this process, please contact our support team. Thank you.